Hello and welcome. Today I'm here with my helper,
Charlotte.
and we're going to teach you how to make one of our favorite recipes for all-purpose cleaner. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start with essential oils, and the first one is going to be cinnamon. So we're going to put 4 drops of cinnamon, and this is for a 16-ounce glass bottle, and I'll put recipes below. And then the next is going to be clove oil, and that's 4 drops. Some are slow and some are fast. And then next is going to be eucalyptus. And that's going to be 4 drops as well. That one came out pretty fast, eh? And then next is grapefruit, and that we're gonna do 6 drops.
You're not awful.
No.
Ooh, it smells nice.
You like grapefruit? The other thing about making your own recipes is that you can make, after you're done putting the recipe, if you want it to be more smelling like lemon or grapefruit or anything like that, you can just add more of that essential oil. Okay, and then next is rosemary, and that's 4 drops.
I think I put 5.
That's okay. And then we're going to add 1/4 cup of vinegar. Yep. Yep. I filled it right to the top, so it's, sorry about that, Charlotte. I'll hold this for you. There we go, perfect. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of OnGuard Concentrate. Now a lot of people just use the OnGuard Concentrate and water as well, so that's how strong and powerful and grated that is as well. And I also love the smell of it. So then you would just fill the rest with water, shake it before you use it, and just smell it. You know, make sure you like the smell of it, and it needs more. It's strong smelling like vinegar right now because we have to add some water and dilute it. But yeah, this is one of our favorite all-purpose cleaner. Thanks. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please just comment below. Take care.
Bye.